On Christmas morning, Snoozy woke up bright. Under the tree, a surprise caught his sight. A brand new train set tracks on and ran. Joy in his eyes, he built it with his hands. Piece by piece, he laid the tracks so straight. Engine and caboose, he couldn't wait. Round and round, the wheels went clickety-clack. A journey through the room, no turning back. Choo-choo, Snoozy's train is on the track. Through the living room, around and back. Dreams on the rails, a magical ride. With his Christmas train set, joy he can hide. Mountains made of pillows, tunnels made of chairs. Snoozy's train adventures took him everywhere. From sunrise to sunset, he played all day long to the world of his train, where he belonged. Every turn and curve filled him with delight. His train said everything right. Building dreams on tracks through valleys and plains. Conductor in his heart, guiding his trains. Choo-choo, Snoozy's train is on the track. Through the living room, around and back. Dreams on the rails, a magical ride. With his Christmas train set, joy he can hide.